Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder, this video reflects my personal experience. Today, we're taking a look at upgradedpoints.com. This website offers a wealth of resources for travelers looking to maximize their points and miles. Whether you're a seasoned points and miles enthusiast or just starting out, upgradedpoints.com has something to offer. They provide comprehensive guides, helpful tools, and up-to-date information on various loyalty programs. Navigating the complex world of travel rewards can be daunting, but upgradedpoints.com simplifies the process with clear explanations and practical advice. They cover everything from earning points and miles to redeeming them for flights, hotels, and other travel perks. Their resources extend to a variety of programs, allowing users to find the best options for their specific travel needs. Beyond just the basics, upgradedpoints.com delves into advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing the value of your rewards. They offer tips and tricks to help you earn more points, find better redemption opportunities, and ultimately, travel more for less. So, if you're ready to take your travel game to the next level, be sure to check out upgradedpoints.com. It's a valuable resource that can help you unlock the full potential of your travel rewards. The site's user-friendly interface makes it easy to find the information you need, and their expert insights can help you make informed decisions about your travel plans. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your travel experience with the help of upgradedpoints.com. They continually update their content to reflect the latest changes in the travel rewards landscape, ensuring that you always have access to the most current information. Explore their extensive library of articles, guides, and tools, and discover how you can travel smarter and further with the power of points and miles.